In class 9 you have studied that to locate the position of a point on a plane we require a pair of coordinate axes. It's a plane and there are two axes called x-axis and y-axis. This is positive x-axis and this is positive negative x-axis, and this is positive y-axis and negative y-axis. These two axes divide the whole plane into four parts and each part is known as quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, and the point of intersection of x and y axis is called origin, whose coordinates are 0, 0, you already know. This is positive x axis, it means here we will take positive numbers and here negative numbers. Similarly in upward direction positive and downward negative. So if you observe, you will find that in this first quadrant, see the value of x is positive and value of y is also positive. Okay, here x is positive and y is positive. So the coordinates, all the coordinates in this first quadrant are in this form, x comma y. X is positive and y is also positive. This first one is called abscissa and the second one is called ordinate. This is called abscissa and this is known as ordinate. First is x and second is y. We cannot interchange. Okay. So in this first quadrant, x is positive and y is also positive. Now see in the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. So here the coordinates will be of this form minus x, x will be negative and y positive. Okay, there should be no confusion. X is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative. So minus x, minus x. So all the coordinate, the axis in this third quadrant, the point should be, or the coordinates should be in this form, minus x and minus y. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. X is positive and y is negative. Okay. So these are the four quadrants. Now how to locate a point in this Cartesian plane? This plane is known as xy plane or Cartesian plane, or also known as coordinate plane. Now let P be any point in the plane whose coordinates are a comma b or x comma y. Okay, and let Q be any point whose coordinates are minus x comma minus y or minus 1 comma minus 3. Okay, now you already know how to locate a point in the Cartesian plane. Now here in class 10 we will learn how to find the distance between 2 points in the Cartesian plane. Suppose these 2 points. Okay, how will you find the distance between point P and Q? The distance between point P and Q, how to find? So this we are going to learn here in class 10th.